Alright, y'all, this is a 2009 Ford Flex. What you want to do to remove the cowl, which you'll be removing last, is you want to get up under it. You want to get up under it, then you want to push. You want to push the tab in to release it, to get that out. Other than that, you're going to break the clips. And to remove the A-pillar, most people, they talking about something, you're going to break this clip right here. No, you're not going to break this clip. No, you're not going to break this clip. You're not going to break this clip if you get up under it. If you get up under it, you want to use a hook tool, release it, then get behind it and release it. It'll pop off. Then you slide the whole unit up. No clips broken.